Morning everybody. Looks super white, don't I? Okay, since I'm in better shape than most traders or most live streamers, I'll be streaming shirtless today. Just going to do a quick rundown here, since these gold sales look like they are setting up for us on the 4-hour candle closure in 8 minutes. So GJ, same ideas as yesterday, looking for those sells below 156.200. You can see this price action in this range is just very choppy, ugly. We want to avoid it. I'm not really interested in buys. I know our daily candle closed bullish, but I believe we actually closed bullish, respecting that support there. Overall still very bearish. We could view this as price is just setting up, or yesterday with the lower volume, we are just retracing and setting up order flow for the week. Same thing with gold. You know, we are very bullish overall, but we came down yesterday, setting up order flow for the week, looking for those supports to be formed, eventually to be taking buys again. But for now, it looks like we are in this pullback phase with the 4-hour closing bearish below support here, and we had this range formed yesterday in that lower volume. So this range right here, I want to be avoiding this range. We've broken out and retested this previous support area, so you can see now we are retesting right there. I believe this looks quite clean to move down to 1906.5, our next key level where we were looking for price to move into. So we've got a minor support right here. I would like to see us closing below there, but even if the 4-hour is just closing bearish, hourly is closing bearish below 1910, I believe we could get these sells now on the 4-hour candle closure. So our previous hourly closed bullish. I would like to see this current hourly closing like an engulfing bearish candle, so basically below the support here. This is about a 35 pip range moving down, and then we'll see if we have volume. You know, this is a pullback. We may not get that major push, but we could be looking to come down. If we break below 1906, 1907, you know, we could be coming back down to retest 1900. So nice areas for targets here. Then for buys, if we are breaking back above 1918, I think we should be pretty safe to opt back into the buys. Highs were up 1918. We've got about 100 pip range here, moving back to the highs we formed yesterday during Asian session. Breaks below 1906, also looking for potential sells there. Back to 1900. Alright, so we've closed here on the 4-hour candle. Let's have a look. Closed nice and bearish below support. Got a wick to fill on the previous 4-hour candle there. Hourly, we didn't close below 1910 as I wanted. but we've still closed bearish, respecting this resistance here, previous support. 30 minutes had no top wick there, previous 30 minutes, so it looks like we're coming up to create that top wick. Don't want to marry this bias of taking sells, since we are bullish overall here. If we see us breaking above 1913,350, then we could potentially see price fill the rest of this range right here. I just want to be a little bit more patient since we've closed bearish on the 4-hour, daily, hourly. This is why I'd rather be taking buys above 1918. I just think buys will be safer back above there. $30-minute looks cleaner if we flip to come down and fill this wick. But yeah, 15 minutes. Obviously, this is just consolidation now. Let's have a look at the DXY. DXY obviously still bearish here. Ranging yesterday, we had a bit of a pullback and then lower volume during New York session. So it looks like we have formed resistance. Still looks like we are coming down here. If we break below 102,250 on DXY, looks like gold will be ready to jump back into the bars. But for now, as we can see, gold is in this pullback phase, just retracing from these highs. Got clean traffic to the left to take advantage here, but we got to be a little bit cautious with sells. Topless in the gold chain. No, it's not gold, it's just silver, bro. The one day you have a shirt on, I don't. Shirtless streams. I was gonna talk a lot of shit. What's up, Chad? What's up, Akin? What's up, Reese? Wayno. Hello, Rita. Out of curiosity, what point would you be interested in GJ bars again? I'm also waiting for those fundamental confirmations at this point. So we've got the okay, to be taking trades on GJ today. We've got news at 9, so definitely want to wait for that news and then wait for London Open, and then possibly use that news to our advantage. If numbers are coming out bad, sells are pretty much solid, can't go wrong. And then in terms of buys, I think that's going to be determined by this news tomorrow. So we've got the Bank of Japan monetary policy statement and interest rates. That's going to be very, very important, and we'll see. On GJ, last week we had this move down as a result from those headlines of Bank of Japan reviewing their monetary policy. So if they make some changes this week that brings strength to the yen, you know, we will obviously continue with this bearish trend here, or this bearish move. If they do not, if nothing changes, then we need to understand the current situation. So currently we were bullish on GJ because of the difference in rates. So Bank of Japan keeping their rates in the negatives was keeping the yen a bit softer. But like I say, if they make a change to their monetary policy, then you know that's going to bring more strength to the yen. We'll be looking for more sells. If they don't make a change, then we can see on the higher time frames here, we are actually sitting at quite a key area, a key demand area, if you want to say, key support around 155. So if the news tomorrow, all of this for the yen, does not confirm those headlines from last week, you know, we could possibly then be jumping back into GJ buys. I know your daily closed bullish here, but I have discussed this. 4 hours also closed bearish, forming resistance. Since we had low volume yesterday, you can see, you know, we're just slowly moving up. And just looking at this structure, I'm expecting when volume comes in that we get a nice strong leg down, looking to retest these lows. Can I ask, bro, on GJ, where did you find that resistance? This is based off a 30-minute resistance. Yeah, looking left. 157, 300. Not really a level that I even need marked up, because I'm not really taking this level into consideration. I'm not taking buys above this level or anything. I just believe that this is the range we are in right now. This is the way I see it. This is the range we're in, between 170, 300 and 157, 300 and 156, 200. But I could actually just mark this whole area up as a no trade range between 158 and 156, 200. Did you change your mic sound setting again? No? How come? Is the sound a bit funky today, or what's up? No, got the volume up pretty high here. I'm gonna go make some coffee quickly. Yeah, on gold, yeah, a little bit of a tricky situation. 15 is now definitely consolidating. 30 looks pretty clean, but may want to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. So I'll be back shortly. I got boxes on, bro. Don't worry, I'm not naked. Just hide your girlfriends and your wives. Okay, are you happy? I've got a vest on. Best I can do. It's quite hot today. Nico, what's up? So I really do like to look at the DXY to just get those confirmations for gold. You know, obviously gold being bullish, DXY bearish, that's the correlation there. But now what I'm seeing is yesterday we had that low volume. Obviously DXY was in a range here. And then below the support area, you know, at the end of the day, DXY, this is also a chart that's moving with price action. It's also just trending like a normal chart. What's up?
Oh no, bro, my mic was fucking out, dude. This thing wasn't working, so I was stressing now. Sorry.
Yeah, I heard the static.
Fine now.
Yep, it's chilled.
Okay.
So, if we break out of this range to the downside, you know, DXY will most probably continue moving in the trend here, and that will bring some strength to gold, and it would make sense to hop back into the buys, possibly a little bit more aggressively. If we look on the 15-minute, we've got resistance right here. You know, potential buys above there, but I would prefer to rather just stay out of this range. .30-minute flipping back bearish. Got 11 minutes until this candle closes. Could have some very nice setups here.
Is my mic making static or not? I'm gonna leave myself unmuted so that Jared can just see if it is me and not his cock mic. Okay. Connor?
Oh shit, sorry, I've been muted.
Figured, I just didn't want to tell you. Did you see how long it would take you to figure it out?
I said to you,
I'm
are you
sorry.
drinking brandy and coke this early in the morning? I heard that ice clinking there.
I am, so I felt like getting rowdy today early.
Rowdy, eh? Oh, no, I know you would
Yeah.
never do that.
Some nice ice. Just drinking ice.
Oh
Nah.
shit. You
It's not
know,
hot today, but like the sun's not out. It's just, it's, what's the word? It's humid.
humid. Yeah, that's the word.
Yeah.
But it feels hot.
The humidity makes it feel hot, but if you look
Yeah,
outside, it doesn't seem like it would be hot. But
yeah.
fuck, bro.
Yeah, I opened my curtains this morning wanting to get some sunlight in my eyes, and the fucking sun is nowhere to be seen.
Oh, you didn't do what I told you to do. I'll see.
No, no,
See.
I'm alright, eh? Guess what?
Imagine you open your window and your father walks past and how you doing that.
Oh shit. That'll be,
Shit, man, that would be so funny.
yeah.
Uh, hey, Uncle Con, I remember. Okay, are you done with your breakdown, dude? Can we just chat
Yeah,
shit now?
yeah.
I wanted to say,
You've got
you know what I
7
thought about
minutes
that? Oh,
to chat shit.
you remember that driving range when we were driving with those two drivers before you bought one?
Yeah.
The other one was shorter, and remember you said you liked that one more.
Was it shorter?
It was, because you know how I know it was shorter. Remember
Mm,
when that guy, when we were walking back and we asked that guy about them, he turned
mm,
both of them around and put them on the shaft, and then they were pointing up, the
yeah.
drivers. I noticed there that the one you bought is longer.
I didn't even
Hey, Uncle.
like think or compare.
Uh, I did see it there, but I didn't think to say anything. Like I saw the length, and I mean, obviously I didn't think like, hey, con. Like yeah, I just
Maybe,
remembered that yesterday.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe it made a difference because I definitely didn't hit enough balls with them to really be able to
100%.
tell. Like,
Mm.
I'm not experienced enough to hit 2 balls and say, okay, this is a fucking nice club.
Yeah.
Like, I just hit some balls. Yeah,
I'm gonna ask
okay,
him.
you know,
I'm gonna look at that tailor-made set that's there.
is it?
Yeah. I'm gonna ask him. Can I just buy the pitching for now? And then I'll see. I don't want to buy the whole set just yet, just in case, like maybe like March comes and we like fuck golf. I don't want that. I don't think that would be the case because I fucking enjoy golf. But I mean, like just in case, for now.
Yeah. No, I think it'll be a nice investment, but yeah, the clubs you got now, they work until they
Yeah, but
until
I
they
would
break.
love, and I would really like to maybe just buy like one club every month,
Yeah.
like just over time, and then I have the full set. But I don't think they'll do that, and yeah, I just think that would be so nice. Like you buy the clubs you want in the moment, and then like let's say there's like 4 or 5 clubs left, just to
Mm,
finish the set, I'll go buy all of them. But if
yeah.
I'm happy with my pitching and my driver and whatever other iron I take, I'm satisfied.
Yeah.
And then but I don't know if that will fuck my game up, like getting tailor-mades in this set and then using them and using the other. And then
Is that
is that
negative 79, 75 pips? No, it's not.
the dash is for like zero basically because
Yeah,
there's no.
that's for the week. The dash is for the week. So let's change this so there's no
Uh,
confusion.
oh, is there not space to put the week and the year underneath each other?
They normally go on top of each other. So the week is at the top, year is at the bottom.
It's the only cock thing. The K and the Y, they're lining up so nicely with the slash thing. Do you see that? It looks like it's written in cursive almost. The K to the Y.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. There's like no space in between. There's that better. Zero. Got 0 pips for the week. Beautiful week so far. No trades. Can't complain. Yeah, no worries. I
It's just a
understand.
dash, bro. It's just a dash. Yeah, it's not a minus. Oh fuck. No. Fuck me. I hate the stupid mouse I have, bro. It's one of those dumb gaming mouses with buttons on the side. So sometimes I press the wrong button on the side and it goes back because whatever setting it's set on needs to go back.
Yeah.
Um, I think next time we go to driving range, I'm interested in that driver, bro. That one we were using, but I want to use it again to see.
Yeah, ask him. I mean, the guy will let you use it.
Yeah, I know, but yeah.
But yeah, I think it is a better way to just build your setup slowly, like especially for us. We're so new. We've been playing for like a couple months. I don't
No,
think there's any reason to jump into like buying a crazy set. For what?
no, for sure, but that's why I mean that's Spalding that tailor-made set that he wants me to, or that he said he has. There's only 3.5, dude.
Yeah.
Like not bad at all, especially if you can look at how much tailor-made does cost.
Yeah.
So
No, it's not bad. Second-hand clubs, dude, it's worth it when you're getting into it.
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm gonna go to Cash Converters first and see if I can get a driver. And if I get
Yeah.
a driver that's just chilling there for cheap like Dylan did, then I mean, fuck, I'm smiling, bro.
What driver did he get there? It was
He didn't
decent,
get a
wasn't it?
driver. No, he got his entire fucking set from there, bro. He
Yeah, I
just like
remember,
paid
but he
10 rand per club, bro. And then no, that driver broke. The shaft going into the driver, like into the club face, broke.
Mhm.
So, yeah. But I don't know what driver that was, but it was a decent one. But the most expensive club in his bag was 12 grand, bro.
12 rand.
12
That's
rand,
that's not even $1.
bro.
Fuck.
Dylan's a hustler, bro. That's all I know.
That's crazy.
And he plays a fair game with those clubs. There's nothing wrong with them.
Yeah, no, look.
You know what he We went to Parton Sunday. You know what he shot?
What?
33.
Jeez, that's not bad at all.
It's not bad at all, bro. Yes, on that course, the best I got was 40.
Hmm. Man, should be on world's cheapest skates.
I've never seen that shit. If that's really a show, I mean, oh,
I've
you know what
also,
I watched, bro? You know what blew my mind that I watched was that coupon shit, dude.
oh
Have you
yeah,
seen that extreme coupon or something like that, where like the people they complain
yeah,
to pay like $1, bro? Like they have like a $400 bill, then they put I don't know where they shit out this amount of coupons, but yeah, and then they have like $1 to pay. Then they're like, oh fuck, I miscalculated. I'm like, what? It's $1. Just pay it, bro. You like got $399 off. Fucking pay the $1.
literally.
But they don't. They get touched, bro. They take like one item back that's $1 and they put it back, bro. They really don't want to pay that dollar. It's amazing, dude. Fucking, that's cheapskates.
Proper.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's a fat mission, bro.
Yo, nah, dude, I'm fine. Save up
Do we
all
even
that
get
shit.
coupons here? I've never seen like.
Dude, no, I've never fucking seen that, bro. All I know is at McDonald's or Mr. Delivery, you get a discount code. That's all I know.
No, that's bullshit. You don't even save the money paying over for if you actually went there.
And Jared was right at the end of the day. Imagine recounting everything, bro, and then it's the same. Yo, justice. This is why I can't be a people's person, bro.
Yeah, no, waste my time.
Imagine you rescan everything to have the 50 cents over again.
Chat.
Yo, you see, you got $1.50. Someone got paid now. Yes, made money.
Let's see if we can close below here. I'm going to be looking at taking sales now in the next 30 minutes.
GJ, you see that though? Oh, come.
Yeah, I'm really not too in love with
There's,
GJ.
it's not nice to the left though.
Yeah, this is ugly here. All the way up to 158. Okay,
What are you
chat.
thinking to yourself?
What I'll do is, on the break of previous 30-minute lows here, I'm going to look to have sell stops. So 1909.95 sell stops on gold. We do have a little bit of a top wick. And then previous 30-minute candle stops 20 pips.
On the flip of this candle coming down, or on the break of the previous 30, what did you say?
Break of previous 30.
Did you put it in?
Yep.
So sell stops are in.
Yeah, at 109.950.
109.950.
Sorry, 1909. 1909.950.
950.
Break of previous 30-minute lows. Break even point 1908,220. 250. 1908.250.
Break even point the previous hour's bottom wick.
6 o'clock's bottom wick, so 2 hours ago.
Okay.
Previous 4-hour wick, basically. And stops above previous 30.
You know, it's actually a nice confirmation that one 30-minute has no top wick, and then the next 30-minute came back, made the wick, and then came back.
Yeah. Stop loss at 1912,300 for 23 pips.
Looks like we're gonna come back to get triggered in soon. Did I make a? I did make a baby problem. Why not?
Yep.
Oh, fuck. Sorry. I needed to do something, but I wasn't muted.
4-hour looks very clean. Sorry if you had a question and I missed it. I'm just setting up this trade here, so I'll have a look now. Okay, chat, looks like we're about to break that low. As soon as we break that low, should be in here. Okay, I'm in.
Same. What was the question? Can you explain your trading strat, bro? Oh, okay, I'll wait. So the question is, can you explain your trading strategy? But you can do that obviously now.
Just price action, trends, fundamentals,
Support, resistance.
keeping it simple, keeping it clean.
Yeah, I think everyone should be in this trade by now, at least.
$1,900, you know, I believe you could come down to 1900, but maybe not with that much volume, but that would be a nice target to come down here. So that'll be my final TP, 1900 flat. Break even point 1908.250, and first targets here at 1906.550. Re-enter in 1 hour close. I'm not too sure what you mean. I've just got involved here.
At least it looks like volume starting to pick up slowly.
Yeah, slowly. I think markets were just waiting for that CPI, and now this week, Bank of Japan interest rates. So the idea here was to start pushing as we broke that low, and right now we have not. 5 minute looks like it may close bullish, so that may be a signal to manage risk here.
I would like to be able to make it to quarter two.
Yeah, let's wait for the 15 minute. Yeah, your 15. If the 15 minute candle closes bullish, then that's going to be a good idea to close partials, manage risk. 5 minute close bullish. So we haven't had enough volume to get that push down on the break of those lows, but we're still respecting structure. We're still respecting the previous 30-minute highs, previous 15. You know, we've got that candle closure that we were looking for. Stops are in a safe place.
Just clearly volume stepping in.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll see volume now. Maybe on the next 15 minutes. Sometimes on the beginning of like a 4-hour candle, you know, we'll get that pullback in price and things move a little bit slower as it sets up for the push on that candle. So we just formed that top wick. Now we're setting up to fill this previous 4-hour wick here.
anyone is feeling some kind of way, now's your chance to get out. But this is looking very nice.
Would you really want to get out?
Yeah, but that's what I said. If there is some monkey that wants to.
But I mean, yeah, sitting at entries, if you do want to get out, obviously now's the time if you're not comfortable.
But I
It's
mean,
your trade.
come on, chat. Like, we have 146 people and 29 likes and we're in a trade, so let's get some likes going there, please. Jared's comment, dude.
Good luck, wishing us good luck.
No, underneath that. You're staying in the trade like a squatter.
Yeah, pretty much. Not going anywhere, bud.
Waited for the 15. That might have been the game. See what this 50 seconds holds.
Yeah, next 15, I think we'll see some volume here.
Yeah, that's what I said. Let's just wait for 15 to see at least where it closes because I think pushed hard. Oh, Jared, bro. Why would you call me now? Monkey.
Monkey. Fuck, 15 came back. Let's see, we do want to see it close bearish. Solid. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Looks good. Like I said, next 15 minutes should bring that volume. Broke those previous 15-minute lows, got a little bit of a push there. Break-even point is that previous 4-hour wick fill. I'll probably look at closing partials as well. Since this is a counter trend trade, we're in a pullback phase here on gold. You know, we got some nice volume by the looks of things right now. But obviously taking these counter trend trades, we do want to be a little bit more cautious. Just be securing our profit. So on that wick fill of the previous 4-hour, I'm going break even and securing partials. Then got targets at 1906, 500 and possibly runners into 1900.
Jared, that's gonna know about that.
Do I know about what?
I'll tell you now. Just gonna try out Tom. You know what? Something I started looking at when it comes to like breaking lows and stuff.
Yeah.
Is when the spread breaks the low or the spread breaks the high. That confirms it so much more for me for some reason. You feel what I'm saying?
I hear what you're saying. So, like
I
now,
think it's a psychological thing, but it just
maybe.
yeah.
So like now that we're breaking the low, like now that we're moving down, so that the top line is breaking the low. You're saying that's like an extra confirmation.
Basically, yeah.
I think it's just the idea that we've actually like properly broken that low.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
2 or 3
100%.
pips.
But that's the thing. Like that's what I say. Like sometimes I've like noticed where the spread doesn't break the high or the low, and then it comes back and it doesn't go back there. But I've noticed as well how in those moments when the spread does break it, it does actually move more.
Yeah.
Like in that direction. So yeah, it's just something I like. Like I say, it might be just a psychological thing that I'm seeing.
It's the banks messing with your head,
Nah.
bro.
Jared, I'm gonna say it now, bro, on stream, so it gets out there, and then people can understand that that's not how I mean it. So
Oh
I mean,
shit! What did you say?
I called someone a monkey apparently yesterday, and
Oh,
then
for
they told me
suck,
that's,
man.
and then they said that's racist. Bro, I'm speaking about a fucking animal. If you're honestly that stupid and you have the mindset to come here and think it's racist, fucking leave. Get out the stream then, because we're not here to entertain that bullshit. Simple. It's a monkey. A monkey's an animal. If you don't like to be called it and you think I'm being racist,
I just called
that's
Jared a
on you.
monkey. Because
I
it
called
was
Jared a monkey,
fucking
but
something, because he was being stupid about something.
yeah, if I call
Yes,
anyone a fucking
yes.
monkey, bro, I
Anyway.
mean it as an animal, a monkey. Why am I saying monkey? What? People are retarded. That's all I'm saying, dude, because I'm not going to entertain it. So that's all I'm going to say about it. And the last thing too.
Yeah, okay, you've cleared the air. Thanks for clearing that up. Moving on.
Yo,
We
there
all
we go.
evolved from monkeys, exactly. We all fucking monkeys, so shut up.
Yes, yes, bro. Imagine getting upset because I call you a monkey.
Don't have space here for Western. Don't have space here for Western woke bullshit. No, fuck. Seriously. I'm moving to Romania. Eastern Europe, bro. Not everyone thinks the same, for sure. Shame. Yeah, no, that's facts. The thing is, like, the Romanian government, money means a lot to them. From what I saw, you know, that's why the Tates were like so powerful there, is because they had money. You know, if something went wrong, just pay them off. So now when you have a bigger entity with a lot more money, obviously being the US government, the elite, whatever, these people that he's been exposing, you know, when he's going against them, they want him silenced. They've got a lot more money, so it's easy for them to pay Romania to then shut him down, and they're going to take their side now because there's more money there. But what they did with these cars, man, that broke my heart. Okay, chat, going break even here. I haven't secured partials just yet. Let's see if we break that low and get a push, and then I'll look at closing 50%.
Oh man, I'm really enjoying the shit I'm doing with
Okay, closing 50% right here. At about 16 pips.
Yeah, I can't, dude. I'm really enjoying this new thing I'm doing, bro. Where I open the two trades, and then the one is the runner, and the one is the actual trade. And then now at break even, I'll put my TP for the actual trade. Gets me out, boom, run out. I need to close shit, bro.
Okay, yeah, I hear you. That is
So
smart.
nice, bro. So it closes the full position where I wanted to. No delay. Sometimes I might get slipped a little bit, you know, it gets me a little bit more.
You know, I was thinking to say the one thing I don't like about that idea is if you know, if the market sometimes, maybe it just runs, you know, there was more money to possibly be made on that trade. But at the same time, it's also about being systematic. So,
Yeah.
so to actually have that in place, you know, that's, if that's helping you to stick to something, then sure, that's actually, that is a brilliant way to approach. I hope so.
The W slam going, chat. Let's get those likes up as well, chat. Come on.
Come on, chat. I've got no electricity. I need likes for
Where's
the
the love
electricity.
today from chat, bro? Let's get those likes up. W spam go crazy, bro. Come on. Jesus Christ.
Yes, so yeah, thank you everybody.
I didn't expect that. Didn't expect that.
Sheesh.
Man,
Hey, that's actually the,
bro.
I think that's the best W spam in a while. Check what Chad said. W for the monkeys. Chad, be racist, man. Fuck's sakes.
Yes, bro. Hey.
Hey,
Where do you just come from like that, bro? You're making me ready to throw hands up to the side of me, bro. Oh, shit, I got a prop.
Yeah, what's up?
We finally won a trade in front of almost 200 people. Usually we have more viewers than like 100. We always fucking lose.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Every time we hit like a new high, we take a loss. But
Okay.
yeah, no, it's just I don't know if it's a psychological thing. I don't think so. I think it's just chance, to be honest. Because we do the same thing
That's
every day.
No, but I mean, yeah, it's like it's just getting a win. Shen,
what I mean by the two positions, bro, or the double position is, let's say you're comfortable with entering, like your lot size
Oh,
is a one lot, for example.
chattity
Okay.
chat.
If it's one lot, put in a 0.90 and put in a 0.10. So that means that 0.10 is your runner after the break even point. So if 0.90 reaches your break even point, which
Sorry,
would actually
chat.
be your take.
I'm closing a bit more of my position. Yeah, closing 90% of my. No, sorry, 80% of my position. At
Okay, so for example,
27
Connor's
pips.
closing 80%. You'll close. Take your profit will be for 80% at break even point. It closes the position on your break even point where you would close out partial anyway. Then it closes out that, and then your runner goes. So if you want to do 50%, 50%, you just break up the lot size. That's it. So I just do that. So like as Wayne was saying, it's nice to see like greens, like see your take profits hit. It's nice to see that in your history, and
Yeah,
it's psychologically like
that's nice. That
you
fucking
closing out.
that
So
gives you a boost.
and I
Also,
mean
don't let
like,
it get to your head though, like, because that can create euphoria. So when
but
you
a lot
see
of
that
people,
green, just make sure you emotionally neutralize yourself before moving to the next trade, because the next trade might be red.
but Con, it also helps, dude, with people that like struggle to close our position because of
Yes,
greed.
yeah, no, that's what I was saying. It helps you to actually be systemized and stick to that.
Like, I close out my positions very like funky because I feel some kind of ways. But sometimes now with this, I don't do shit. I literally let it hit the take profit on the normal, like the big trade, and then I run it literally break even or take profit.
Yeah.
So
Actually, chat, why did you do a W spam? You shouldn't be hyping us up. This is just the game. Nico, we spoke about this, dude. You don't celebrate wins. It's just part of the game. You don't
that's
celebrate
true.
wins, you don't cry with losses.
That's true. Let's take bars to lose the money because we celebrated it. It's not fair. Let's do it.
Have to punish ourselves now, chat.
We have to punish ourselves. We have to lose the money we made now.
Never know, maybe this was the end of the pullback we're gonna get on us. Weak rejection, yeah. 4 hours gonna flip bullish. Get some fucking crazy bars going, yeah. Just imagine.
Aye.
Yeah, I've closed the majority of my positions, so I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, grateful.
Like we've said before, bro, if you're feeling some kind of way, close out more of your position so that it's smaller, and then you've closed out what you wanted, and then you feel less of whatever way you were feeling. That way, the runner actually starts playing out, and you build the confidence to leave a bigger runner, make bigger returns.
Con signals been sent, management's been set, and trade reviews been sent. So we all sorted on Discord.
I don't know, I get the notification.
Thank you, Jared.
Go check it on XAUUSD
I'm gonna go look now.
on MMT.
Oh, actually, it's because my laptop's open, so that's not going.
Shit.
So I'm not gonna.
You see here the correlation with DXY. So this 15-minute candle, we saw volume come in on gold. We had the same volume here on DXY. So we were in a range, it wasn't really clear that it was going to come in, but just showing you the correlation there. And if we had broken to the downside here, if we had broken below 102, then we would have probably seen that push to the upside.
What is your strategy?
Price
Price
action,
action.
reading candles, looking at trends, support and resistance, fundamentals.
Connor just once again explain that you're not in charge of the like free community and you can't be hold like.
Okay, so if someone called Sophia Raymond added you from the Discord, like Nico said, I have no control over who adds you. It's a free Discord. It's open to anybody. So if
There
someone
could be
adds you
scammers.
from anywhere, just be very vigilant. Never give money to anyone. Don't click on links. So
Rather just
yeah,
keep it in the community. Like if it's not being sent, then it's being sent privately to you. Rather just be more careful because we can't be held responsible for who's in the free community. If it's the paid membership community, that's different, of course. So no,
most
that's
people,
not yet.
most random people reaching out to you about trading are probably scammers. Genuine. So I don't know. I don't recognize the name, but probably just news coming out at for GJ now in 2 minutes. So we'll see how that news comes out. To be honest, I'll probably call it a day after this trade. But if that news comes out negative for the pound and we come back below 156.200, we look good there for sales. Looking at most recent price action, we do have a support here at 156.880. Breaks below there, we could start to see that move to the downside. Like I said, overall, right now, if we just look at this structure, we are pretty bearish. So yesterday we had low volume, we were just slowly pulling back. When we see volume kick in here, what are the probabilities we see it kick into the downside to retest these lows? I'd say pretty high. And if we have negative news for the pound, obviously that just increases the probabilities. So sales below 156.850, let's call it, are going to be quite aggressive. I'd rather see us breaking below 156.200, but that is an idea. Oro Fox. What's up, bro?
But honestly, very clean position, and I don't even think we're in that for half an hour.
Nah.
It's so quick.
Been in since 8:35, 25 minutes. You're a swing trader? No. Day trader. Sometimes these positions could turn into swings. There's been trades from stream that have run into hundreds of pips of profit, but that's not always the goal. I like to say that I'm always open to having bigger positions, bigger runners, but I like to be securing profit within a session, so in and out kind of thing.
Oh shucks. I'm gonna update the Excel spreadsheet for signals after stream, once you got the full pips and this and that.
Okay, cool. So this was last year's record. Yeah, we got 150 pips. 150. That was actually FOMC. So yeah, some of these positions can turn into swings, but no, I'm not a swing trader.
What's your TP, by the way, for the runner, bro?
1900. Honestly, I think it's a bit of a stretch, but that's why I've closed out the majority of my position.
I'm gonna go 1904.
Oh, Con, I was
Yeah, that's
closing
solid.
myself yesterday when Kaylee posted that comment and then I commented with it. Yo, dude, I don't know why I found
Kaylee.
that so
Oh,
funny. Yeah.
Kaylin.
Yes. Oh, yes, Kaylin. Yo, dude, I was laughing.
Yeah,
What's your 1% of that report you got? I don't think he has the percent haircut.
it's not amazing. Like,
But I mean, we had a losing. What was that thing? we had more losing trades the 1 week or something, but we came out.
Yeah,
The 1 week you made more money than you made in any week, but you had more losses or something like that.
it was the month. So this month, what was this? June. June last year had the worst win rate of the year with 53% win rate. But the perps, we actually had the biggest
Highest
winning,
per count.
biggest winning month overall.
So like that's why we don't base it off percent, to be honest. So like it's there, but
Let's see how the news came out for the pound.
driving range.
Nah, not today.
Done.
Hey? Nah, I just got to get some stuff done for the memberships.
You jumping today though or not? The jump's not.
Yeah, a little bit later, like 3.
No, that's too cock.
So I think this is what I'm gonna do is let's say we finish up stream at 10:30.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to gym, try to be back by like latest 12, just after 12, and then I think we start the calls for the memberships like 1 o'clock. What do you reckon?
Sure. 1 o'clock, that's early, eh?
Do you think so? Do you want to do Hoppers 1 or 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Cool.
yeah, I'll see. No, I'll look, Jared. I'm going to gym at about 3.
Okay. Perfect.
So I'll hop on for. I mean, you can start it at 1. I'll hop on it at 1. You can do like the pre-session. I'll be there.
Okay. I think then, yeah, guys, we're gonna be live on Discord from about Hoppers 1. I'll just send a message confirming times and everything. Then you guys can obviously join in like we did last Friday. But yeah, yes, there goes the golf online again. But yeah, if you want to join, if you want to have a meeting like during midday, Con, you must just let me know.
Okay, you don't want to do the call on Zoom, rather.
Yeah, we actually could do that. That'd be
I
better.
think we should, dude.
Okay.
Fuck
Cool.
this.
Yeah, we can do that then. Yeah. Cool. The stuff you need to get done for the membership, are you gonna do that today, like midday or what?
Yeah, I'll do some stuff now after the stream. So
Do you need help with that, or you good?
should be alright, hey. Fuck, I can't see anything here, bro. It's load shedding. Trading in the dark.
But yeah, if you do need help with that, you must just let me know. Then I'll go gym later.
Okay, cool. Should be alright, Jared.
Jared,
Yeah. Well,
explain the schedule then.
yeah. So yeah. So. Pardon?
He's in Australia.
So we stream every day at 8 a.m. GMT2. So I don't know what time that is in Australia because Australia has different time zones because it's so big. But yeah, we live every day at 8 a.m. GMT2 on YouTube.
SAST.
Yesterday's live stream almost got 2,000 views, eh?
Yeah, they're picking up.
But, oh no, okay, no, I'll speak to you about that afterwards.
Okay.
Nothing important, I just, with the music issue that we're having.
Oh yes, yeah, we'll change that. Tarek, thank you for joining, bro. We'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, news came out. Slightly positive for GJ, or for the pound, sorry. Much better than previous, slightly better than forecasted. So we may see some further pullbacks here. If we just zoom out, yeah, honestly, I don't really like the look of GJ. You know, that positive news could mean a further pullback here, but I'm still pretty much bearish at the moment until we get those confirmations from tomorrow's news on direction here. We will most probably continue to see choppy price action on GJ up until tomorrow.
There's a question for you.
Can you help me understand the difference between this support and resistance and supply and demand zones? To be honest, the way I see it, there's no real difference, bro. It's just simply different names for the same thing. So right here, you know, this could be considered a demand zone at 1893. But then again, I would call it a support. That's just what I refer to it as. Demand would be similar to a support. So for instance, right here at 1880, or maybe you want to say, you know, like 1870 demand zone. But it's just a support, really. So it's the same thing. Supply, you know, right here at 1885, we got a resistance, supply, same thing. Chat, that's gonna be me for the day. No real point in hanging around. We've got a nice trade here. I've got runners. You know, this is a position where if we don't get stopped out at break even with the partials left here, that I may leave for the rest of the day or to pre-New York. So I'll update you guys in the Discord with wow, Jared. Thanks, bro. So yeah, I'll update you in the Discord with how I'm managing this position if I do manage. Other than that, I'll most probably just leave this position to run. Also looking at 1905, 1904 as a potential area for us to react to. But at this point for me, it's either break even or TP with the runners. I've secured 26 pips, or I've secured 80% at 26 pips here. Nice, clean, quick trade. That's gonna be me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Cheers. Thanks very much, Con, and thank you everybody for joining. We really do appreciate it. And we'll check you guys tomorrow at 8 SAST. African Central Time. Cheers, guys.
Radio voice.
Trying it.
What is the TP? My TP is 1900 flat.
It's 1904.
But yeah, you want to maybe look at 1905, 1904. That's why I said I'll update you guys on the Discord with how I'm managing this.
1900 is the TP, but we'll see how it reacts at 1904 basically. So
Yeah.
might close full there.
We may even react at 1906.50. We haven't tapped into that level just yet. So that's why I'll keep you guys updated. But I'm not going to sit here for the whole day. You know, nice clean trade. I don't want to be staring at charts the whole day.
Yeah. Alright, cheers, chat.
Just chat. See you tomorrow.